Hello guys, today we will be solving the second problem from May LeetCoding challenge. The problem's name is Jewels and Stones. We are given two strings J and S. String J represents the types of stones that are jewels, and string S represents the stones that we have. We have to find the number of stones that are jewels. Let's look at the examples and make sure that the problem statement is clear for us. So let's look at the first example. In the first example, we have two types of jewels, small a and a big A. And we have 7 stones, which are small a, 2 big A's, and 4 small b's. And 3 of these stones, this small a and these two big A's, are jewels. That's why the answer for this example is 3. At the next example, we have one jewel, which is small z, one type of jewels, which is small z, and 2 stones, which are 2 big z's. None of these 2 big z's are present in this j string, that's why the answer is 0. And if we look at this note, it says that the lengths of these j and s strings are at most 50, and that all of the characters in J are distinct. Let's dive into code and try to solve this problem in the most obvious way. So what we will do, we will create an integer variable, let's call it answer, which will return as an answer to this problem. We will iterate through all of the stones that we have, and for each stone, we will iterate through all of the jewels. And if the current stone is equals to current jewel, it means that this type of stone is a jewel, then we will add 1 to the answer. After all of these operations, we will simply return an answer. Let's try to run this code, make sure that it works for sample cases. Great, it works for the sample test case. Let's try to submit it. Cool, it got accepted. Let's now discuss about time and space complexity of this solution. The time complexity of this solution is O of n times m, where n is the stones number and m is the jewels number. The space complexity of this solution is O of 1 because we do not use any extra space. Because of the constraints of this problem, there is no need to improve this solution because the length of these strings is at most 50. But if the constraints were bigger, how can we improve this solution? What can we do? We can store all of the jewels type in a hash map and then iterate through all of the stones and assume is that stone in a jewels hash map or not. If one of the stones in a jewel hash map, it means that this current stone is a jewel, and then you have to add +1 to the answer. So if you realize this solution, it would have O of m time complexity for putting all of the jewels to the hash map, plus O of n time complexity for iterating through all of the stones. So basically it will have O of n plus m time complexity and O of m space complexity because you have to store all of the jewels in a hash map. I think it's pretty much for this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel if you like this video, of course. Make sure to leave comments below. I'll try to answer to all of you. Have a good day. See you in the next videos.